Here's my list of things I want to get meal prepped today. I want to use my vegetables from this past week and use them up. I'm going to make an Italian pasta salad. I'm going to have fajitas on the menu this week, so I'm going to get my onions, peppers, garlic, spices, and chicken in the spice mixture done. Pico de gallo, restaurant salsa, ranch dressing. I have some fruit that I want to cut up. I want to make some chicken cordon bleu and get that prepped and in the freezer, and I'll take it out later this week. And I want to make a batch of refried beans in the slow cooker since I'm going to be in the kitchen anyway. So that's the task list. Let's see how much I can get done. This is what I have left over from my vegetables from last week. I want to use them up. I don't want to waste them. And there's a couple green onions back there too hiding out. So I'm going to blanch the asparagus, the snow peas, and the English peas in some boiling water and then put them in an ice bath. I'm going to get all of this chopped up, and then I'm going to cook some, this is 12 ounces of rotini. I'm going to also add some black olives, a jar of marinated artichokes. This is a little jar of pimentos and some of these cherry peppers, and make a Italian pasta salad. I'm going to cook the pasta in some boiling salted water. I have the peas and the English peas and the asparagus, and I'm just going to blanch this for like about 90 seconds and get it into an ice water bath. I just want to set the color and just barely cook it. Just let it cool off completely and the color will be set. Then I'll get this drained in a colander and put in with the rest of the ingredients. I went ahead and I cut up probably half of this jar of cherry peppers, and I have the vegetables and the pasta in here. I'm going to add the can of ripe olives that I drained, and I drained the pimentos. I'm going to get those in there. This salad is excellent to take to potlucks. I'm going to work on getting these artichokes in here. They're kind of big, so I want to cut them up a little bit. And I want to save the juice that it comes in because I'm going to use this to make the dressing. To make the dressing, you can kind of see it's about right to here from the juice of the marinated artichokes. I'm going to add 1 packet zesty Italian seasoning mix, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, about a tablespoon of olive oil. There we go. Then I'm just going to kind of fill up the jar to about right here with some red wine vinegar. Looks pretty good. Get the top on it, give this a shake, and that's going to be our dressing. I'm just going to pour it all over the salad. Give it a big toss. And we'll have this to eat on all week long. Guys, I forgot to add salt and pepper. It needs salt and pepper, that's for sure. This is a lot of vegetables. And some pepper. Looks pretty good. Let's give it a taste. Oh, it needed the salt and pepper, for sure. Tastes so much better. And then the last thing I'm going to do is add this McCormick Salad Supreme. 2.62 ounces. I'm going to add the whole container. Make sure you give it a big stir. Wow. Full of flavor. Now you could serve it just like this, or you could add hard salami, like little pieces of pepperoni would be good. Provolone cheese cut into little strips, or even shaved Parmesan if you want to beef it up a little bit. I do that a lot. But this week I'm just trying to use the vegetables out of the vegetable bin. So we're going to have it like this. Okay, so I got this huge bowl for a big family dinner. And then I was able to get 4 of these 2-cup deli containers full for school lunches. The kids have a tendency to take it if it's already packed, ready to go. They can pair it with a sandwich or some soup, and nice addition to their school lunch. So that's the Italian pasta salad. Italian pasta salad done. I have my pinto beans in the slow cooker. I have a video how to make the refried beans. I'll put that link in the description box. I got the pico de gallo done, and there's a little bit left in my bowl. So I think I'm just going to use it to make some quick guacamole. I'm going to get these avocados cut and smashed, and I'm going to squeeze one extra lime and maybe some salt in there for a quick guacamole. Going to make some restaurant salsa. I have a 14.5-ounce can of diced tomatoes. I have a really small onion I cut into fourths, a couple cloves of garlic, a half of a jalapeno. I'm going to juice up this lime. I'm going to get this blitzed. The refried beans are done, and they look so creamy and delicious. And all I have to do is heat them up when we have fajita night. To make the dressing, I'm going to put half a cup of mayonnaise, Greek yogurt, and 1 cup of buttermilk, and a ranch pack. I did pretty good. I got everything done except the chicken cordon bleu and some pineapple spears, but I don't have any more time to work on this today. But I got a lot accomplished, and it's going to help me with this upcoming week, that is for sure. All right, guys. Hope you guys have a fantastic week. I hope you do a little bit of meal prepping, because I know it's going to help you guys out, and I'll talk to you later.